She's ready to roll.
No, Sean. Tell me you were not modding the quick disconnect valve on the LOX line.
Hey, man, I heard it's all good. That tweak just saved us 0.4 seconds.
Did I hear that right? A runner and you afraid of flying?
So you must be Ding Dong and Snowball, right?
We're up. Good.
Y'all seen 10-second cars? Well, say hello to the 2-second car.
Is that a Pontiac Fiero strapped to a rocket engine?
Impressive. I know.
Oh, no, that's not impressive.
Eyes up, here it comes! Let the race begin!